Hey everybody, this is Rainy Wild Horse and I got some miso soup bowl to try. It's any Chun's simple gourmet Asian cuisine Japanese style miso soup bowl with cooked udon noodles. It's vegan and it's Non GMO Project Verified. Low in fat. It's mild, 0 grams of cholesterol, and be ready in 2 minutes. I've tried this Japanese style miso soup with udon noodles before, and it's delicious, and I want to say it again after eating this. Because I'm telling the truth. Want some soup? Try any Chun's Japanese style miso soup bowl.